If you're doing typesetting for Eastern Asian or Middle Eastern scripts, then you should check out the Illustrator beta version. I'm going to show you a comparison. So this is the released version, and we have the character and paragraph panel. And you see these are the current options and this here. So I'm going to copy this text from this Arabic Wikipedia page and then paste that into Illustrator into an area text like this. Let's make this a little larger, and you can already see this is typeset from left to right, so that's not correct, and also I can't change that. Let's go into the preferences, and there I can either show the Eastern Asian options or show the Indic options. I cannot turn them on both. So let's go to show Indic options, because that covers some Arabic scripts. And now in the paragraph panel, you see, in addition, we have this Middle Eastern single line and every line composer, but we still do not have right to left. In the character panel, we have this available. This will change if I show the Eastern Asian options, then we get some more in here. But let's go to the beta version. And again, I'm going to paste in that text. Here it is, and it's left to right. In the paragraph panel, we already have the world ready single line and every line composer without changing anything in the preferences. And in the character panel, we have these basically like in the other version. So let's change the preferences in type. And you can already see we can turn them on both now. So they are both active. And then you see this has already changed. And we can go into here, and a lot else is happening as well. We have all these Eastern Asian options, and then we can go into the Middle Eastern features, and there we can change the typesetting from right to left. In the Eastern Asian features, you get all of these, and let's take a look at the character panel where we have all of these that can then be shown. So let's turn on something so you can see all of that that's there. So here we get all these features. So if you're in packaging or need this for anything else, then check it out and give them feedback if that is useful for you, and above all, if it's working correctly.